Okay, the next one's example 2, just slightly different. What this is going to do is make us take basically an extra step or a different step, where when we divide by -5 in this case, what's going to happen is we're going to have to switch the inequality. So always something to watch for and something to remember. So here's 12 minus 5y is less than -8. Now the idea here is this -5y, that's a -5y right there, has to be by itself. So we're going to be getting rid of the 12 first. So let's start by getting rid of the 12. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 12 from each side. Right here, we'll subtract 12. And right here, we're going to subtract 12. Okay? Now, if you're having trouble with this, remember that this is 12 plus -5y. That's why there's a -5y left there. So these cancel out. This becomes -8 plus -12. You put those together, you got -20. Okay. Now, this -5y can't be there. We want this to be positive 1y. To make it positive 1y, you divide by -5, or divide by itself. We're going to divide by -5. So divide each side by -5. Okay. What you're left with here is this becomes 1y. This becomes positive 4. So y is any real number that's greater than 4. So go ahead and write that in there. Now, some people have trouble with this because they wonder, did something go wrong because I switched the sign? So what we're going to do here is we're going to go back and just pick any number greater than 4. I'll take something kind of easy to make this work nicely. I'm going to take 10, since 10 is greater than 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 10 right here where the y was. So we're just basically trying a number that is greater than 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to write 12 minus 5, and here where the y was, we're going to put 10. That's our kind of made up number. We're going to put that right there, and we're going to check whether that's less than -8. Okay, so if you look at this right here, everything right here, 12 minus 5 times 10 is the same as saying 12 minus 50. Okay, think about what 12 minus 50 is going to be. Positive 12 minus 50 is going to come to -38. So this is -38 on the left side. And I'm just taking everything from here, putting it over here. And we're asking, is that less than -8? If you look at a number line, oops. If you look at a number line, that is definitely less than -8. So this one works. It was important that we switched the sign.